स्मार्ट गेमिंग सनग्लासेस। वाह भाई, आज का वीडियो बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है। वी हैव समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इन द हाउस। On my channel, I've seen and covered so many variety of sunglasses like the regular smart ones, Bluetooth speaker sunglasses, LED sunglasses, but this is something entirely new in 2023. So it's from Anti-Sports and they're calling it as like special glasses made for all the gamers out there, and that is because it has like the newest Bluetooth 5.0 and supports low latency technology. So it's like great for gaming purpose. But apart from that, it also has like very interesting features, like you're getting built-in microphone and speaker. You can use it for Bluetooth calling on the go, listen to music on the go, as it has stereo speakers as well, and plenty of other stuff. But best part is it's very affordable, guys. Costs under 1,000 rupees, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. Let's get started. So guys, our brand new gaming sunglasses from Anti-Sports are over here. Came in this sort of box packaging, and the model we'll be checking out today are called as Smart Game I series. These are basically like a Bluetooth stereo gaming glasses and has a lot of smart features. First of all, you're getting built-in microphone and speakers for Bluetooth calling support. Low latency audio support is also there, and not only that, you're getting like extra pair of lenses also in the package. So let me just quickly grab my knife, cut this seal on the package, and show you how these sunglasses look like. So there you go. As soon as you open it, oh wow, look at this. We have our smart gaming glasses at the top, and this is how they look like. Nice. Initial impressions look pretty stylish, right? We'll just come back to these sunglasses in a moment. Let me just keep it aside for now and see what else we have in the package over here. I've told you, right? You get like extra pair of lenses. So by default, you're getting like blue lens filters on board, and these are your UV polarized sunglasses. So you're getting both options and very easily to replace them on the frame. And along with that, you're also getting a Type-C cable for charging. Now, this was actually a bit of surprise. Fast charging support is there. And lastly, some paperwork. Just make sure to read this for all the details. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now, let me give you like a closer look and talk about the design and build quality part. Initial impressions, glasses actually look pretty stylish, guys. They have a matte black sort of finish and have a rectangular frame. And they're also a bit large in size, and I believe it's like universal frame. So both boys and girls, anybody can use them. So that is one good thing. And as I've told you, you can easily replace these lens filters as per your requirement on choice. You've got the Anti-Sports branding everywhere, and from my initial impressions, build quality is like TK for this price point. It's like entirely made of plastic material only, guys. And I think this is where you have the built-in battery. You're getting 120 milliamp built-in battery, and yes, you're also getting a couple of controls over here. So let me just give you a closer look and show you. You're getting a power button slash multi-function button. Volume up and volume down buttons are also there. Type-C port for charging. And I believe these are your microphones, guys. Omnidirectional microphone pickup is there. And these are stereo sunglasses, right? You're obviously having two drivers on the left and right side. So two tiny speakers are there. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the design. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. Alright, I'm back to continue the video. Let me share you my experience with these sunglasses from Anti-Sports. First of all, let me tell you about the setup part. Setup is like super simple, guys, just like pairing any other Bluetooth TWS and speakers. You just need to press and hold the power button for like 2 to 3 seconds and simply pair them from your Bluetooth settings in your phone, and that's it, as simple as that. And talking about the comfort, let me just put them on and show you how they look like. Okay, what do you think, guys? How do I look? Pretty cool, right? So if you talk about the comfort part, sunglasses are definitely a bit comfortable. They're not that heavy, so that's an added benefit, and you can easily put them on and keep on gaming for like 1 hour, 2 hour, not an issue at all. But one thing I do have to be honest is I feel that the frames are a bit slightly larger for my head, but maybe if you're like an adult around like 30 years of age, this might be like perfect for you. And it has like a universal frame design. Both girls, boys, kids, adults, anybody can use them. So that is also one nice thing. And if you talk about the lens quality, as I've shown you during the unboxing, you're getting two different type of lenses. By default on board, you're getting this blue light lens filters. So these basically try to minimize the blue light coming out from your computer screen or maybe like your phone and help you reduce the eye strain, and it's actually very good on long-term usage, guys. So I've been using this only, but apart from that, you do have your darker shade sunglasses filters as well, which is your regular UV polarizing one. So choice is up to you. You can use any of these as per your requirement. Now let me tell you about the main functions and features. So first of all, now main thing is you're getting like stereo speakers on the left and right, and speaker placement and position on the frames is also very good, just above your eardrum, guys. You can play music and listen to songs on the go without putting anything in your ears because they have an open frame design. We'll come to the audio quality and talk about the speaker quality as well in a moment. And lastly, main highlight is they were specifically made for gaming purpose because it has like Bluetooth 5.0 on board with low latency technology, and that will definitely help gamers out there, keeping the delays and lags minimum when you're streaming audio using these Bluetooth headsets. So before we talk about the audio quality, let me just play some music on these sunglasses. Just listen to this sound and then we'll be back to talk about the audio quality. Damn, I was not expecting that. What do you people think? You guys heard the sound, right? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, first of all, let me tell you, they have an open frame design, right? That means you're not putting anything into your ear. So it's actually very convenient listening to music like this, in open air. And talking about the audio quality, for this price point of only around 949 rupees, I felt the audio quality was like pretty decent over here. Vocal clarity was nice. All the dialogues in the songs or maybe any sort of content you're watching is easily understandable and also audible. Mids were nice, they had a nice warm, and vocal clarity was also good. Only thing I felt is bass was like very minimum over here. Again, these are like very tiny drivers on board, so I didn't expect bass also at the beginning, but still on the overall, guys, they will definitely get your job done. Keeping the regular audio quality part aside, let me tell you about the Bluetooth calling experience as well. I actually picked up a couple of calls, and let me tell you, Bluetooth calling experience was also nice, especially the microphone, guys. Mic quality was very good. Other person was able to clearly hear and understand what I was speaking, and he had no hassle over there. And if you talk about the speaker quality, as I've told you, speaker was great, and audio output was also like decent and audible. Now coming to the main part, let me also tell you about the gaming experience over here. I did play a couple of casual games like Asphalt 9, COD, and even Genshin Impact, and overall experience was pretty decent, I would say. Bluetooth 5.0 with low latency was definitely helping while gaming, especially keeping the delay minimum, but I wouldn't say delay was like absolutely zero because I did face a bit of minute audio lag here and there while playing games, but a lot better than your regular Bluetooth earphones or any other smart glasses around this price point. It's like a fun sort of gadget made at an affordable price tag. It's not made for like professional esport purpose, keep that in mind. One more thing I do have to mention is, instead of using your regular TWS and getting tired after few hours of non-stop gaming, this is much better, I felt, in that aspect because it's got like an open air audio design, right? So the overall experience was definitely a bit more comfortable. And major thing is, unlike your regular earphones, you can hear everything around you even while gaming using the smart glasses. So surrounding awareness is a major plus point on this product. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the battery life also, right? It's very similar to any other Bluetooth TWS. So during my usage at around 75% volume level, I was getting around like 3 to 3.5 hours of battery life per charge. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video, and Esports Infinity Series gaming sunglasses. Now for 950 rupees, I think it's a pretty decent deal. You're getting Bluetooth stereo speakers, Bluetooth calling is also there, changeable dual lenses on the go, and offers like decent battery life. It's like a total package and fun sort of gadget. Only thing I felt the brand should have also provided was a carry case in the package, and also a cleaning cloth. So that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out something really awesome. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.